We are live, ladies and gents. Today we talk about Mr. Crypto John and his latest picks. I made a little video about his latest picks, but I have to do a live stream on it because it is outrageous. And 9,000 people watch his video. That means 9,000 people are about to get wrecked. We just want to warn you guys not to get wrecked because it's very easy to get wrecked in crypto. It looks like everybody getting wrecked in crypto. It's like they're professional losers. So we don't want you to be like that. So we're gonna show you. Let me show you the video, Jomo, and then we're gonna chat.
Yeah, and let me just remind people, CM, all right? This person was caught cheating on people, right? Just reminding, we'll talk about it in a second. You can go ahead. Meanwhile, you can upload the video. I see that you're not sharing it. Oh, here you go. All right.
Crypto to buy in July 2026. I've been buying a ton of crypto recently. Bitcoin's crashing, ultra crashing. We're currently around a 59K Bitcoin. And if you haven't bought crypto yet, you might want to think about doing it for July. And if that's the case, we're going to on X, influencers everywhere saying, I don't think that. Let's pull up Bitcoin. It was 77K Bitcoin. Don't take that lightly. A 20% drop for Bitcoin is very solid as an accumulation.
Accumulation, Jomo. Are you accumulating? Write it down. We're gonna talk on all his pick. It's actually starting from the least dangerous to the most dangerous in the world. So he's saying buy Bitcoin. Okay, one second.
Okay, Ethereum,
But CM,
is also
no,
at a
just keep on. I will say
very
in a
good
second.
price point. I am watching this one. I want to get it ideally around 1400 to this level. I don't have a position yet, but if I see it hit around that 1400 mark, I am probably going to buy it. The easiest 4x you'll ever see. It hit 5.
One second. We see Solana, and then we're gonna talk about these and continue to the next coins. We do them 3 by 3s. Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in a second.
UCA not too long ago, so I'm waiting to see if it breaks down to the 50s. If it does in July, guess who's buying?
All right, Mr. Big Balls John is telling you to buy Ethereum on 1400. I will show you the chart, then you will not want to touch it pretty much forever after I tell you my 2 cents. But anyway, man, what do you have to say on his nonsense, man? He is like, oh, prices are down. It's time to accumulate. It's time to accumulate. Mr. John with the big balls is going to buy. If it's going to go down a little bit, who he think he is? He think he is a whale or something? Does he think who he think he's the Michael Saylor of the shitcoins? Who the F do you think you are, Mr. John, with your stupid beard, man? Who are you, man? You're muted.
We're serious people, CM, okay? And sometimes when I listen to these people, I love your jokes, you're a funny person, and you're correct, right? So sometimes these people, they have like a megalomaniac, all these characters that we kind of talked about in the past, and we're gonna keep talking about them because we believe they're grifters and so on. They have like a megalomaniac, whatever it's the name, kind of personality where they really, really, really believe in their own intuition, okay? Their own thought process, right? They don't back it up with data. They don't back it up with some rules or executions. They don't back it up by, hey, this is an edge. This is something that's repeatable. They don't back it up by anything, okay, that is statistical. Nothing. The only backing of anything that they say is emotional, right? They feel this is the thing. They feel it's the bottom. They think it's the bottom. They believe it's the bottom, all right? Each time it's where they believe, their intuition, okay? Now, why is this dangerous, CM? It's dangerous because of two things. One is very easy to spot, okay? It's dangerous because no one knows the future. No one knows if a bottom is a bottom, if a dip is a dip, And not for nothing, among serious traders like you and like me, buying the dip itself isn't called buying the dip. It's called buying falling knives. Okay? Trying to catch falling knives. Sorry. Why is that's how professional phrase it, is because buying a dip when price is just falling, just because it's falling, not because you have a clear path for executing on capitulation or whatever you understand. No, you have no edge. Just because it's falling, it's called trying to catch falling knives, because usually it cuts through your hands trying to catch a falling knife, right? You're gonna get hurt. Okay, so that's the first reason why it's dangerous. The second reason why it's dangerous, it's not when it doesn't work, which is most of the time. It's actually if it works once or maybe twice, because then you start believing your own megalomatic, again, I forgot the word exactly how you phrase it, intuition. You think you are a genius. You think that this is easy. How did he phrase? He said, CM, he said, this is the easiest 4x on Ethereum. It's the easiest 4x he's seen in his life. All right. As if there is something easy, as if trading is easy, as if investing is super easy. Hey, I'm just going to sit in front of a computer, just, make money. Easy 4x. Let me just pour $10 million, make 40 million. It's as easy as that. No, everyone knows it's not easy. Everyone knows 95% of people trying to invest lose. All right. And so if you actually get it right by mistake, by sheer luck, then it's even worse, because the more you think you're a genius, the more it burns when the market will catch you and fire upon your ass. That's why it's so dangerous, and people are not aware of this. They just think, oh, just buy the dip, just buy this, just follow these charismatic dudes. You said that his beard is funny. Maybe it's charismatic for people, maybe they like beards, man, I don't know. But it's just dangerous because it's pure sentiment with zero statistical
Look,
advantage.
it's most people will not understand your 2 cents, because most people are monkeys. You need to show them. You need to show them the chart. Okay. Now
Okay.
he tell you Bitcoin, is amazing buy now. No, it's not, because if you follow the bear market of the past, every bear market you drop 80 to 90%, 80, 85%. Okay, this stuff is down only 50%, and you are now in a very, very, very bad environment for markets. Dollar getting stronger. Summer is coming. Summer is here. You can get a major crash. MSTR, blah blah blah. You have so many black swans for Bitcoin. I will not buy Bitcoin now. I will wait for the black swans to crush the fuck out of it. Then maybe, if you want to buy, let's say, Bitcoin, like if you just want to buy zone, like all the morons, oh, I will tell you my buy zone, So this is a good buy zone, for example. Okay. All right, this is a good buy zone. Now here you have all this gap here. You can crash, crash, crash. But again, Bitcoin is actually the best thing he's talking about. Like when you're talking about investing, obviously people that buy that will have to sit through a bear market and sit through a serious haircut on their portfolio. But still, if you compare it to ETH and Sol, this is legendary. Now I'll show you ETH. He's calling for, you know, the easiest 4x. I will tell you what I think is going to happen to Ethereum. Ethereum will do a 4x down, my friend, on the face of John. Like now, John says, hey, I'm going to buy on 1400 if it goes there. I'll tell you, this is the most stupid thing you can do, because if you break 1400, the thing will trigger a major crash. The stupid clown John is going to buy, if he's doing what he's saying, he's going to buy at 1400 just on the triggering event when Ethereum is going to collapse like a toilet paper from the sky. Okay, it's going to be a bloodbath for Ethereum, in my opinion, in the next couple of months into a year. This thing need to crash. It need to crash. Now we'll just cover Solana and we'll continue with the video, because he's shilling some horrible coins, Jomo, horrible. Now on Solana, the same thing. He's talking about, if it goes to 50 or to 60, I'm gonna buy. Man, now if it goes to 50, Solana, okay, by the way, Solana is under its 200-day MA, week MA, and under its 50-week MA, like all the coins he's talking about. This is a bear market, mega bear market, and you're gonna get a death cross of the 200-week and the 50-week soon. That's not gonna be a nice day for Solana. Solana is up to for some serious apocalypse in price. If you buy any of his shit coins, you are the most stupid person on the world. Seriously, there is nobody dumber than you. Maybe the monkey that couldn't couldn't eat the banana. But anyway, Jomo, we'll show them more of the video, guys. Do me a favor. Do us a favor. This Moon Boy, okay, this is not is a felon in my opinion. This guy is a felon because 8,500 people that watch his stupid video on July picks are about to get the July banana in their bums, deep in their bums. Okay, this is you are muted.
Let me remind everyone, this is a person that got caught front running his own people, CM, right? You said that he's a felon, he's a criminal, probably probably is, all right? So people that are watching his videos, he's just trying to create a charade of understanding something, but in reality when it was trying to make a living, he was making a living not for you, not to help you, but off the people. He was ripping them. He was buying like low float shit coins, man. Afterwards, he told them to buy, and then he sold on top of their heads, right? He's the one that was caught doing it, at least from other YouTube, navigators that were looking exactly on his trades and how he was executed, went into his membership and whatever. So definitely, man, really close to criminality.
Let's continue. This is the John. Okay.
Put this one on your watch list. This is still a phenomenal price. Okay. You're talking a 5x to
All right. Solana. Okay. Now he's talking about Tau.
140 low that we entered into this year. But this is still a very good price. You're talking a 4-figure coin easily
4-figure coin easily, the Tau garbage.
for this cycle. They got to eat
For this cycle. That the guy is in Lapland, man. The guy is in fairy tale land. I don't know what he's smoking. What cycle, man? It's a bear cycle, you moron. The bull cycle is done, bro. It's done. What are you talking about? I think his beard completely offset his thinking. I don't know what's going on, man. Like he need to go to the doctor, man. What's going on, man? We're gonna look on Tau. Let's continue. 1 second.
ETF coming out in August. That's
ETF coming on Tau. Okay, yeah.
probably going to get passed. That's a catalyst to pump it, like Hyperliquid did on their ETF. And I think of 5x is really conservative. I wouldn't be surprised if Tau 10x is here at minimum. We're talking
10x. Now the baboons that watch him, look at that. You have you have this video got 8.5 thousand views on 2 days. Okay, now 8,000 of these monkeys are gonna buy Tau and expect a 10x. That's how these people, they have brain of a mouse, little mouse, little rat, So again, 8,000 baboons are gonna lose everything. Okay, so right now he's calling for 10x. Okay,
a platform.
Hype, telling people to buy Hype now. We're gonna look on Hype. That's dangerous.
Their burn drops down to the low. This one could eat the flavor 30s again. I'll buy some more, but
What's that shit? Aerodrome. 1 second.
a couple weeks ago at 37 cents, so I'm in no rush to buy some more of this. Our average is rock solid on this one. If it drops down to the low 30s again, I'll buy some more. But yeah, in terms of July, you have to really see how far down this one can go. It could still give you roughly a 7-8x from here, but ideally you want to see it retrace more.
All right. There is a limit how much shit I can take in one go. So we'll do 3 on 3. Okay, so he was saying Tau 10x, Aero crap, the Aero scam. Okay, 8x from this level, 8x. Okay, he believed we're in a bull cycle. Joe, I don't know. It's like he's like a balloon. His head is a balloon. He's not connected to the. to the body. What's going on? I think the neck disappeared. He only have the beard holding his head to the body. Now, look, he's saying 10x on Tau, 8x on Aero Crap, and hype. We're gonna look on the chart. Okay. Now,
It
yeah,
seems
if you
like the
wanna,
same playbook. CM, they're all playing the same playbook. They're trying to play something that has fallen from a good high, has a special narrative. They're all talking about the same coins, right? And they all try to give a prediction of a few X's, right? It's all the same playbook, CM. All the same playbook. Predictions by the lows, by the dips, prediction. They all say the same thing, man.
that's why everybody are wrecked in crypto because the
Yeah,
Moon Boys destroyed everybody. Okay.
exactly.
Now, and he keep destroying them. They actually, masochist. These people, the crypto baboons, they are masochists. They like to get cooked by the Moon Boy. Let me take a clean chart on Tau. Give me a second here. Okay, so look, he says 10x on Tau. I tell you 4x down on Tau. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. Okay, I'm telling you Tau is going to $50. Okay, I'm telling you there is much more probability for Tau to crash to 50 in the next couple of months. 50, yes, yes. Than it to go to what? 10x, 2K? Sir, it will not go to 2K probably. It might not go, never go to 2K, okay? It might never get there. Or it will take it at least 4 years from now, or maybe even 8 or 10 years from now. You don't want to be holding this scam till it's ready, okay? You don't want to buy it, okay? Really it's very stupid to buy because you're buying a distribution, okay? This looks like the Caspa top or whatever. This is a distribution top, man.
Descending triangle like Bitcoin
Yeah.
2019, man.
Yeah, very, very bad, very bad. Lower highs on testing the same support. It's gonna end with or with a crash or with a miracle. I think it's gonna end with a crash. Um, okay, so that's Tau. Now he talked about Aero crap. Aero. By the way, guys, do us a favor. Do us a favor. We need your help, really. If you like this type of videos, if you like us warning you and taking care of you so you will not get wrecked and not fuck it up in the bear market, like the videos. Do us a favor, like the videos. We need your like. We're coming, we're doing these lives many, many times a week. Give us the like, guys. That's all we need. Just the like. And don't forget to subscribe to our upcoming webinar. Will change your life forever. It's for free, by the way. Arrow, give me a second. Oh, Coinbase, I think have a big. Okay, so look, this is the Arrow crap. Look, it's the same like Tau. Okay, it's doing lower highs and lower highs, testing pretty much the same support. It's gonna end up with the PP man coming here and peeing all over the place. Okay, you're gonna see it. I saw it so many times, man. These people they don't understand. Now he calling for 8x arrow from here. That means he's calling for like something like $5 arrow. Again, I'm calling for 4x down, pretty much like 70-80% crash. So again, my prediction for it's going probably to first of all to the 10 cent, and then we'll get wrecked completely. Might be a rug pull. Okay. What do you have to say about that? Let's see if first of all we have some questions here, comments, and we continue with the rant. Uh, Rocky says the boy in the woods, just another typical American weirdo. Thanks for exposing these guys, fella. Cheers, Rocky. Cheers, Rocky. Who is Crypto John? This guy, the guy with the beard. The guy with the beard, man.
The guy from the woods.
Let's go, guys. People, be careful about scammers like John, Archie, Galaxy, and all other monkey channels. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Be careful. Lock him up. We are locking him. We're locking him. He's now in the corner, bleeding from his nose. Bam, bam, bam. Now Jomo is coming with the right hook.
Holdea la cripto. Ni se te ocurra vender, puto. This is the hodl for the life in Spanish, ladies and gentlemen. Right by Andrea Rojas.
All right. They are treating crypto like stocks. Keep buying with the hope it will rise again. Crypto needs to be traded, not invested in. Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly, sir. You know what you're
Thank
talking
you.
about.
Thank you.
Shout out.
Finally.
Shout out to you, Mr. IO City Ridders. Shout out to you, man. I like it. I like this comment. By the way, guys, we're gonna continue covering John in a second. Just want to make sure you all subscribe to our upcoming absolutely free webinar. We're gonna teach you how to long, how to spot bull markets, how to nail the next Bitcoin bull market. Will change your life forever. Really, this webinar is gonna be literally life changing. If you will attend it, your life will change. If you will not attend it, you'll stay monkey, so or you flip from a monkey to a prince, or you just stay a monkey. It's all up to you. All you need to do, if you want to become a little prince, scan the QR code, put your email. That's it. You will subscribe to our upcoming free webinar. You're going to get notified when it's on. Probably going to happen somewhere in July, and you're going to be smashing it for your life.
Man, for sure. I like you're coming hard today with the monkeys, CM. I like it. You are hard on the monkeys today, man. All the people, you saw the people that viewed, and look, it makes sense, right? When you this this dude, his following is big. Even after he got caught, cheating on people, even after he got caught, misleading his audience, if even after he made a whole bunch of people going wrecked, not only did he buy all the way down on Caspa, then on one day he said, you know what, I'm selling all my Caspa for Turbo, right? And then Turbo made an 80% go down. So smashing all his audience one after another again and again and again with no accountability, nothing, zero. And again, the same playbook as they always do, trying to predict something they can't because no one knows the future, right? Same thing. What is
Neon
this, Ian?
Neon Signal FM is asking, is it possible for me to trade using only my phone, WAP VIP membership and Bitunix app, or only use a laptop, waiting for my laptop to be here? Man, you can do anything just from the phone. Most of our members are using only the phone, man. You take trades from the pool. You don't bring your laptop, you bring the phone. You have your phone in right hand and a margarita on the left hand, and hopefully a hot bird next to you. You don't have time to bring the fucking laptop. Now again, you can obviously, I trade with laptop because I love the laptop. It's a bigger screen. I just hate phones in generally. I really despise phones. But most our members trade only from the phones. And sometimes when I'm away, when I'm not next to my laptop, I'm taking trades and setting up stops, setting up trigger orders, you know, doing everything from the phone. I do everything from the phone. On Bitunix account, they have a great app. Yeah, man. Of course you can use the phone, man. And yeah, man, welcome aboard. Just don't forget, sign up now because you have a 30% off now, and the big move is coming probably in the next couple of weeks. It's gonna be unfold, in my opinion, mega crash. So you wanna be in, man. You wanna be in now before you get the crash, because you'll get more trades coming probably soon. You're muted.
Again, every time we do these videos about grifters, right? About these people that are trying to take advantage of new people that always change, come into crypto and whatever. I get mad. Usually I don't get mad. Usually I'm just, cucumber, whatever. We're just trading. We're doing the same. And I'm just, okay, no emotional burden. Whenever I see these people just, smashing it, man, I just have something over here in the back door.
I'll
See, I'm
take
take
over.
charge.
I'll take over. All right, guys. I'll continue with the the video on John. Okay, I want to show you. He have horrible picks. This is nothing. Okay, I just want to show you the more picks he have. Where is Mr. John, the little boy? There it is. Tell me if you like it, if you hear it well and see it well. Okay, this is All right. So that's Johnny.
You can see in the month chart, it has still
Okay, Arrow. We covered Arrow, garbage. What else he says here? Banker.
regions, a sub niche within the AI ecosystem. They have been burning some of the supply. If you look here, they burned 700
He tell you to buy Banker coin, the scam. Okay, it's a mega scam.
million banker tokens.
Banker tokens.
And this is a result. You're seeing OpenAI use is pretty damn strong for this bear market. Phenomenal entry in July.
It's phenomenal entry to buy Banker coin, which is a complete crap, absolute crap, in July. No, it's not, boy. It's not a good buy, man. No, no, no. Tell you why in a second.
Moving on, we got ArtBlock ABT, another AI hybrid.
ABT is a coin he getting paid of shilling it. Okay, he was shilling it back in the bull market of this year. Yeah, it had a good moment, the ABT scam, but then it got rugged completely. Let's hear what he's saying.
Play. We bought this one recently as well, below this price. It has yet to hit our 16-cent low. If it goes below 15 cents, I am going to back the truck up on this crypto. This one lost some steam. It's down in volume. It's down in price. And I love buying these cryptos when I see the price drop this much. It's stood the test.
He literally tell you to buy a rug pull. Okay, I will show you the chart of both of them, ABT and Banker scam. Give me a second.
You know, it's funny. Most of the coins that they talk about, CM, I look at them and I try to see the volume. And this is a nuance that most newbies or people that are not traders or not professional, they don't understand it, right? Won't catch up on. Volume is important. Whenever he says he's going to load the truck, right? He said he's going to load the truck. Now, this is a person that made good money out of his people, at least six figures, let's call it, okay? At least. Maybe more, maybe, I don't know, okay? He says he's going to load the truck. Now, if you go to Coinbase, right, that's where this is traded usually, the average daily volume is $40,000 only, all right? With $4,000, you can move the price on this. I shit you not, okay? So when he says that he's going to load the truck, he's saying that he's not going to buy it. He's just making a video and doesn't care about it because he's absolutely lying his fucking ass off. He can't buy this shit with size because it doesn't have any volume.
Maybe he buy a little bit every day, like a 10,000 or whatever. Maybe he buy. But he was talking about more of like the ABT scam. Now, this is the Banker coin. Okay, he says it's a great buy. No, it's not a great buy. It's now breaking it up, this uptrend here. It's going to get cooked. Okay, it's very bad buy. It's not even.
Is it
never
Banker,
buy.
like with an O, Bancor?
Banker coin, whatever, man. It's this one. It's this scam. Banker, like BNKR. It's the ticker.
Okay.
ABT on Coinbase. Okay, this guy, he shielded the last cycle, which was actually a good pick, but he didn't told the guys that he's morons to sell. So they just literally hold it. They're still holding this scam, and it's doing a full retrace. Again, he says this is now, if it's going to 15 cents, 14 cents, he will load up the truck. Man, you're loading up the truck on a bear market. You're a pathetic loser, man. You're a loser. You're a loser. Why you want to buy a bear market? Don't buy a bear market, buy a bull market. This is a bear market. If you listen to this clown, you're going to lose money. 100%, okay? Because this thing probably going to do this and crash. Maybe you're going to get a bounce at some point, and then it may be going to form a bottom or continue lower. Now you want to wait for a bottom. Now you're in a clear downtrend distribution, Rekt City crap. Don't want to touch it. Okay, you literally don't want to touch it.
I can just say that he just does it. I don't think he buys anything that he says he's going to buy. I truly don't see the volume on it, because if he says that he's buying it and then others buy it, man, it's just not there. It's just He's lying his ass off.
Man,
There's so many
he's a
people.
clown. He's not like us buying on the exchanges. He buy on dexes and
Even
stuff.
on Dexes, man, the volume is too low on this shit. And no,
You can
he
buy.
buys on Coinbase. He buys on Coinbase, man. He talks about Coinbase all the time because he's American.
Yeah, it's still. I think you can buy. You can buy. They will sell you. Don't worry about it. They will sell you this garbage.
No, but you don't understand what I'm trying to say, okay?
Yeah,
You'll
yeah.
move
He will move the
price with
market. He
size,
will move.
all right?
He'll move the market.
It's just not, even with small size, not with big, you don't need millions to move the market. It's just with small, multiple thousand or multiple little tenth of thousand, just a little bit, you move the market in it. It's not a sustainable buy at all. What else do we have for some people?
All right. So Neon Signal said he will join. The worst in crypto are Sapoman and Crypto Gains. Yeah, Crypto Gains. We're gonna talk about them. Sapoman. I don't know who is this guy. Crypto Gains. We're gonna do a live on him. The little fat guy. We love him. We love him. He look like
He
a
says
donut.
that they expose each other. That's funny. Never saw it.
Oh, really? Okay, so we're gonna talk about both of them. Write down the Sapo man. We're gonna do an episode on the both clowns together and save our time. We put
Yeah.
the crypto gains garbage and the Sapo man garbage, and we cover them together. Uh, so yeah, we're gonna cover them for you, sir. Also, this guy is calling for a archetype. David, like someone give an F of his real name or his fake name. Yeah, archetype. If you want to do that, we can. We'll see if we'll do him. We didn't have a lot of people talking about him, so I'm not sure. But yeah, we're looking for the worst of them all, the scammers. And John just trigger all the red alerts, So let's continue with his picks. And yeah, by the way, guys, like the video. Like the video, please. Like the video. Like. Okay. John, the little boy.
What
Little
else do we
boy.
have, man? What is he saying? Did you write it down? Man.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Where is this guy? Okay. So we stopped on ABT. Okay. Look.
Test of time. It's been around for
Ondo.
could be a great one to add.
Great
July.
one to add in July. Ondo. Write Ondo down. Now he's talking about
It looks
Zcash.
insane. Ignore that one. But you can
Zcash.
see right here.
Okay, Zcash. Look at this portfolio that he's telling people to create. like they have any dollars left in their account after this bear market. They have nothing, man. All his audience have like $5 in total, and he's telling them to make a portfolio out of.
Did
all
you know
this.
that the founder of Ondo has died just a couple of weeks ago?
Really? What happened
Yeah,
to
he's
it?
dead. He died. He died young, like 30 something, man. He just died. We don't know why he died. Just died.
That's what happened when you make a scam and you just died suddenly.
Maybe.
The life rug pulled him, Life rug pulled the founder. That's amazing. That's what happened to
I'm just
crypto.
saying, I'm not going to say anything about the founder because, I don't talk about, people that have moved on. But,
This one's insane.
I'm trying to say that, if the founder is gone, this project is basically dead.
Yeah, we're gonna look on the chart. He's also calling for Monero, XMR.
Sector as Zcash just has a few different.
That is a good buy now. Okay, and Chainlink. He tell people to buy Chainlink, man. Oh my God. Wait a second. Now we're gonna look on the charts, man. If you want, you can go over it. We're talking about Ondo, Zcash, Monero, and Chainlink. Why you don't want to buy any of these at the moment?
All right. So at least from a volume perspective on these boys, you can have some volume. Okay. So finally, he's talking about something you can actually put size on. Okay. Not surely lying. But look at Ondo. Okay. The problem with Ondo is that it already had one cycle. Okay. 99. And this is, I'm going to teach you something, guys. 99% of all cryptos, they have a problem with gravity. Whenever they had one market cycle, the next market cycles is non-existent. They make like a move, then fizzle back down, move, fizzle back down. They're just dead. 99%, 99.9% of coins just die over time. Okay. Now, if you understand this concept, again, someone over here said people are trying to figure out as if crypto is like stocks when you can buy a company and maybe whatever. Yeah, crypto is not like stocks, right? Maybe it's like penny stocks. It's like the sheer garbage of garbage, okay? They don't even need to apply to any rules, nothing. And the token is not a part, it's not a stock. It's not a part of the company. You don't have any upside on it, okay? It's just pure, it's a token, okay? So 99.9% of all tokens will always go down. They have a problem with gravity just because of this philosophy behind, okay? And if it had one cycle, usually it's dead. Now, unfortunately, okay, when you have something like the founder continue to the next, level, let's call it, of life, that's it, it's done. It's not an investment you need to look at. This won't be a super performer. This is nothing. It can make the random pump over here and over there, just like anything, but it's random. You don't want to subscribe to randomness. You want to subscribe to something that will continuously give you more wealth to accumulate and not just wait for. So Ondo, in my opinion, is just one of those cryptos that will forever be slowly forgotten. Okay, people still talk about it because of the hopes they had in last bull cycle. Last bull cycle is done. Now Zcash, okay, Zcash, a lot of people are talking about it right now. Well, we know why, because once Bitcoin topped, Zcash had a moment of shine, right? So Bitcoin topped roughly in October over here, and then Zcash went on an interesting bull run, okay, from here to here. Now, it wasn't huge. It was a 5x. It's okay. It's a nice move if you had for a trade, beautiful. Now, what people maybe don't know is that over here, there was a huge scandal that Claude found a vulnerability that perhaps someone, if they knew about this vulnerability, could infinitely print coins of Zcashes, okay, mint them without anyone knowing. And because of the privacy layers, no one will know if this vulnerability was used or not. So big dogs, the ones that were trying to back it over here, because some people were talking about backing Zcash as the next Bitcoin because Bitcoin is saturated, whatever. They're not going to back it now as they know the vulnerability maybe was not patched and maybe someone, inflated the amount of coins out there. So Zcash, again, these people are investors, okay? No, it's done. Went over here, tried to rebound, probably will just continue down because
Look
the
like a
big
double
dogs,
top, man.
yeah, they lost interest in it. This is a coin that people lost. The big dogs, right? Who moves these coins that have multiple millions of dollars volume? By the way, if you look at the top of my chart, you can see it says the average daily volume, right? 123 million only on the Binance futures. So if this is the amount, these are big dogs. Do big dogs hold something that has such a vulnerability? No, probably will go down and down and down and down. And again, Crypto John supposedly is an investor trying to buy and hold, and he doesn't know anything about these coins. And what was the last one, CM? Ondo, Zcash, and you're muted.
XMR and Chainlink.
XMR chain. Let's go to Link, okay? Because XMR is the same thing basically as what is Zcash. It's all about the privacy. Let's talk about Chainlink. Now, you don't need to be a genius, okay? You don't need to be a genius. I'm going to go to Wiki because this is a long ass chart. What did I tell you about when a crypto has a cycle and it will never amount to a new cycle again? This was the top. This couldn't create a new top because they won't. And the next cycle probably even lower, if at all, because you have a kind of a descending trend line right now. It's going to be something like this and fizzle into irrelevance because that's how crypto operates. And again, CM, this is what they're trying to sell. All these grifters, they're trying to sell, look, we're at the lows. Okay, we're at the lows. That's what they're trying to appeal to the supermarket mentality, I call it, CM. The supermarket mentality is, hey, if something seems lower than it used to be, then probably it's a good buy, right? This is obviously it's at lower price, as if this is the toilet paper that you use all the time and you go to the supermarket and you buy a lot at the sale because you're going to use it. No, this is the investment and trading game. Supermarket mentality doesn't come into investing, okay? There is a reason why these coins are just in the gutter. Again, these are not stocks. Don't try to be the Warren Buffetts Everyone, this is what I hate about people. Warren Buffett say buy the blood, buy the blood. He didn't mean buy a dead corpse, okay? He meant something very, very different in stocks, not in crypto. Crypto is a totally different animal, a wild beast with no safeguards, okay? Again, this is at the lows, probably will have somewhat of a pump and sheer irrelevance, okay? That's it. All these coins, they have a very bad momentum going against them, especially in a bear market, at least in my opinion, CM. And I know your opinion also. And again, this is not the way to make outperformance. People, if you want to make outperformance, you need to find the next huge winners. Not to something that is cheap now, maybe it will randomly pump and give me something. No, you want to find the tigers, the lions, the next new leaders that will move 10x, 50x, 100x, and you can take trades along the way up, like what Casper did in the past bull
They
market, for
need to
example.
first realize that in a bear market, they shouldn't even be looking for this stuff.
For sure.
You know, people need to be realistic, man. People are so dumb these days, man. They're like buying into a bear market. What the fuck are you doing, man? Are you insane? Are you stupid? Are you a masochist? What the F are you doing? You're gonna burn all your capital. What are you doing? Go watch the 2018 bear market, the 2022 bear market. Look what happened to all these coins. All these coins died for 2, 3 years in a row. Bam, bam, bam. Died, died. You know, these people, they're unrealistic baboons. They don't even back up. You know, they don't even do their homework. Like, what the F are you talking? Like, man, you have people that are like 50, 60. They're listening to this moron with the beard. Man, you're 50. Watch the chart before you buy. Watch the chart. Man, what is this nonsense? Anyway, guys, if you have any question, I would continue with the video, but I'm kind of hungry. I will make another part two of the
Part
latest
two, part
the
two.
John pick because he picks so many crap. You just cannot cover everything in one go. So I'm gonna do another one. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our webinar. If you have a question now, drop it now. I'm gonna wrap it up very, very soon. Drop it now, 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 now. If you have any question, don't wait for after because no one will respond to you. You get me?
Exactly. But hey, CM, hey, what are two rules we can give our audiences here? All right. Two rules that we can give everywhere. We have like 100 people watching, right now at least. What are two rules at least, right? One rule I think is don't buy the dip. Don't buy falling knives. That's not an edge. It works every now and then randomly, but then you pay the price afterwards.
Better, better,
Believe me.
better say don't buy a bear market because a dip.
And that's the
Never buy a
second
dip.
thing.
No, it's the same. So put it in the same one, because if you don't buy a bear market, you don't not because you don't want to say don't buy the dip because these morons will come to you. Oh, I wanted to buy the dip in the beginning of the bull market, and you told me not to buy to. It's like little boys. So again, let's be again. Don't buy bear market. Okay, if you want to buy dip, if we're talking about dips, buy dips in a bull market. Okay, but don't buy dips now because you're in a bear market. That's rule number one.
Yeah, well, then I can tell you that people don't know, like John himself, he doesn't know when a bull market or a bear market is. Everything is one cycle for him. Let's give another advice. Everyone, in order to make super performers and to actually, amount to something in advance, you need to have some knowledge, okay? Let's do something differently. We invite you, all right? Come join our VIP. We will teach you everything that we know over there. For real, show you real live trades, what we take. Do market updates. You can watch exactly us commenting about trades, market. What do you think? Not as the way we do it here, that it's, where YouTube is for fun and stuff like that. Here we, in the membership, we actually teach you everything that we do and how we do it, okay? So the best advice here, because we can go on and off, why? Buy the dip, not buy the dip. Come and learn how we do things and then go off with a real skill set. Something that is not from intuition, something that is actually back tested over multiple years and more than that.
All right, Peter, last question here. What do you think about new coins with low market cap on DEX? Big whales are buying before they big whales on DEXs. Big whales don't use DEXs. Only little boys with diapers use DEXs. Just to we get it right. Okay, a big whale will not trade on a stupid DEX. Okay, maybe on a hyper liquid, but on a DEX, no, man. Now Before big whales are buying before they come to the exchange and sell everything if they listed. SPX, for example. Look, you might get it right from time to time in a bull market with these stupid DEX coins. Me, I don't trade on DEXs. I think it's a scam. You take massive amount of risk when you trade on DEXs because first, you cannot use stops. Second, you can get rugged at any moment, rugged, robbed, or cooked at any moment. Exit scam. Third, these are low market cap on with low volume for a reason. No one wants them. Only the little boys. These DEX, all the DEX traders, and investors, these are little boys that get wrecked completely every bull cycle. You see them. You saw them in 2021 and 2020. All these smart people told me, look on this DEX coin. I told them, hey, don't trade on DEXs. Don't trade on DEX. All these people are cooked in Rekt City, dead, buried. Now you had the same type of people again, 2023, 2024. Oh, you don't look on the Caspa DEX, on the this DEX, on the Sui DEX coin. All these coins are dead, wrecked, rug pull continue. And the guys that bought them, they are cooked, wrecked, dead. You know what I mean? So again, all the time, every cycle, you will get these people like yourself coming and asking this question. And I'm going to tell you every time, don't trade on DEX. You're going to get yourself cooked and you're going to get the X in the booty. That's what's going to happen to you. You're playing with fire. People like to play with fire in this market. They're gamblers. They're playing with maybe $10, $20. That's not us. We trade with real capital, hard-earned capital. We're looking to make money from crypto, then buy real estate. That's how you grow wealthy. You make money from crypto. You take the cash out. You don't understand. If you play on DEX, you don't understand the opportunity in trading crypto. Crypto is the gift, is a cash cow. If you know what you're doing, you can sort your life completely. Man, like I did, like Jomo did, and like my members are doing. Okay? These people that, DEX, these are losers because they don't understand the probability and the potential of making life-changing money of crypto and taking out the money and put it in hard assets like real estate that pay you cash flow every month when you rent it or when you live in it. That's the real deal. That's how you create wealth. You don't play with DEX coins. All right, guys? What about here? What are your thoughts on hand play? I don't know what the fuck is that, man. Give me the ticker, man. What is this nonsense? Good afternoon, Pro. How are you? Long time no see. What do you think about Cubic? Ooh, Cubic, man. Well, I'll pull the chart in a second. Yeah, I'll pull the chart and wrap it up. Okay, let's pull the chart for this our friend here. Give me a second here.
So, I don't remember him exactly, but if he's asking about Kubik, which is a coin we, covered in the
Dead man.
past, then he's just,
It's dead
owning
man.
it and waiting for, yeah, he's a
That's it. That's what happened to people that don't have a strategy and just buying coins based on hype. Look at this. This is going to it's dead, man. That's it. It's dead. Lower high, lower low. This is a weekly chart. This is dead, man. Look at that. And it's going down. It keeps going down. Look at that jumbo. It's just getting wrecked.
new lows. Yeah, it's just going to
Can
new lows.
can you short it? You see, you cannot even short it, man, anymore because they delisted it because it's like illegal to short this stuff because it's just going down, So it's like free money for short sellers. You know what I mean? What is this? What is this, man? It's a rug pull. Look, man. Mr. Salam Alaikum. Let's call him Mr. Salam
Mr.
Alaikum.
Salam alaikum. Why, it's
Mr. Salam
Ahmed.
Alaikum. Mr. Very tasty hummus. Look, Mr. Hummus. You have to understand, sir. You have to understand me, okay? I covered it when it was good. It actually had a very nice breakout trade, and we made very nice money with Cubic on the breakout trade in the bull market. We sold it, and that was it. Okay. Now, and also the audience took trades and make money on this call, so that was legendary. But you have to understand, you have to separate CM in a bear and CM in a bull. Okay. What I said in a bull is not relevant in the bear. Crypto moving very, very fast. Okay, very, very fast. When it's a bear, CM is a bear on the entire market. Okay, everything is a crap scam. That's it.
Exactly.
Short the F of the tops. Guys, like the video, subscribe, drop a question now. We're going to wrap it up very shortly. Join VIP and join the webinar coming next month. Not market related question. Do you play guitar, CM? Yes, sir. I play. Yes, sir. I play guitar. Very, very nice. Not nice, in my opinion, it's nice, but you never know.
He plays the bossa nova.
Hamed. 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 I was close, man. I said hummus. It's the same. Long term, no, nothing. No, no. Long term, not good. If you want to buy long term, I'll tell you something, guys. All the people that see themselves as a long term investor, they just want to buy and hold. Don't buy nothing now. Wait for the Bitcoin to bottom out. Once Bitcoin bottom out, then buy all your rubbish coins. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's what you need. Okay, because if you buy now and Bitcoin is on the way down, oh boy, oh boy. Oh
Exactly.
boy.
This is the one thing people need to understand, CM. Stop buying in a bear market when it goes down. Wait for Bitcoin to bottom first, then accumulate Bitcoin, and then see your favorite coins, how it's acting. And you can, if you really want to try, go for it. But wait for Bitcoin to really, bottom. And this is the thing. They don't know how to do it, CM. So they don't, right? So it's simple. It's not easy. So what we want to do, all right, of course, join the elite, because we're going to tell you guys in the elite when we think it's bottom, when we're starting to DCA. You're going to get exactly alerts when we DCA. If you're an elite VIP, Sam is going to call you in the middle of the night. Hey, DCA, CM and I are going to call you DCA now. So anyone that is really serious about the investment process, about the trading process, and has a decent amount of capital, mid 5 figures, 6 figures, and of course 7, we have a few of those, you need to stop doing what you're doing, which is losing perpetually, and go on to the elite VIP. And also CM, if anyone wants to join the free webinar also, this is the time, because if we do the webinar and you miss it, you're missing on basically free money, because we're going to teach you exactly, at least teach you how we do it. Then you will need to do it on yourself if you can. And if you don't, of course, you can later come on and join